how to print shipping labels on Shopify. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Shopify store and land on your admin page. Over here, go to settings. After that, click on shipping and delivery. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom. Over here, you will see options like custom, auto fulfillment, packaging slips, and shipping labels. After that, if you have added a carrier and upgraded your plan, your carriers will appear here. Then you will get the option to print your shipping labels. Just click on print and it will open the labels as a PDF. Finally, you can easily print your shipping labels if you want to see the template. So just click on the packing slip template. Then tap on preview template. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.